Hello everyone. We have studied the features of partnership. Now we are moving to the next topic, which is limited liability partnership. There is only one thing in your syllabus, limited liability partnership. However, we will see all types of partnership to have a better understanding of partnership. So first one is general partnership. So general partnership is a form of partnership in which the liability of the partners are unlimited, and if there are dues of firm's creditor on the firm and firm's assets are not enough to repay the debt of the creditors, then the personal properties of partners may be attached to pay the due of creditors. So this is the form of general partnership. That means on the name of the firm, partners cannot exceed the amount of assets of the firm, otherwise they will have to pay from their personal properties. So this is the general form of partnership which is usually seen in generally business world. Another is limited liability partnership. So what is a limited liability partnership? It has come into existence in 2008 by the act, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. So this was allowed later in India. So this is a combination of properties of both company and partnership, in which the liability of partners are limited to the extent of their share in the partnership firm. So let's see what are the features of the limited liability partnership. So limited liability partnership must be registered under the act with a minimum of 2 partners, and there is no limit on the maximum number of partners. Second one is an LLP, that is limited liability partnership, is a body corporate having its own separate legal entity and perpetual succession. That means any partner dies, the partnership firm will be continued, and the firm is having separate legal entity. That means the firm can make contracts with other parties in the name of the firm only. However, it's general partnership. Generally, partners do the agreement or contracts with outer parties, but in limited liability partnership, a firm can make contracts. An LLP has the liabilities limited to the partners according to the agreed contribution to the LLPs. So, any partner, if makes any unauthorized or independent action, then other partners are not liable for that action, as it happens in case of general partnership. As I told you in partnership features, that all the partners are responsible for action of other partners, as it works as a mutual agency. But in case of LLP, it is not so. LLP should maintain annual accounts reflecting the true and fair view of its state of affairs. Because it is answerable to government and it has limited liability, so it should maintain all the legalities which are maintained by the company. The liability of partners in LLP becomes sometime unlimited if there is any action on behalf of partners which shows that intentionally partners tried to defraud the creditors or the loan providers, then the liability of partners become unlimited. Again, LLP is a combined form of a business organization which is having both the characteristics of partnership as well as company. So this is basically their feature. So this was only syllabus. However, you should study types of partners to have a more clear understanding of partnership firms. Thanks.